Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below, and I regularly check them and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. My channel is growing now with your support, and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about an app called AirBnB, and probably so many people know about this app, and it has a website as well. And yeah, you can just see here on the screen right now. And Airbnb, actually, it has a website and it has an app as well. And it is for holiday rentals and experiences. As you can see on the screen, it has 4.7 stars out of 5. And it's number 5 in travel section, so it's very popular. And if you're over 4 years old, you can use this app. It is compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and Android as well. And the developer is Airbnb Inc. And it is completely free to use. With the help of this app, you can find the best holiday home rentals and apartments. And you can choose from over 6 million homes. And you can make the most of your trip with this new experiences feature. You can find travel adventures and new places to go far away or near to you, and access vacation home rentals and places to visit all around the world. You can book everything for your trip, and also you can start earning money as a host. So you have two different options. And you can go on local experiences led by native experts, whether it's for multiple days or just an afternoon. And you can just, for example, choose from over 6 million vacation home rentals across more than 191 countries. And you can search by price, neighborhood, and amenities and more. And let's look at the preview here. So you can see the preview there. You can search, book, travel, and explore. And yeah, you can view listings. And I'll show you in detail in a few minutes. You can book homes, you can just try local experiences, and also you can just message your host and more. So that's a very useful app for especially travelers. And yeah, so let's go to the app at first. To go to the app, you need to download it on App Store, and then when you download it, just tap open and we'll go to the app from here. So we are in the Explore section. So from there, on the search box, you can just write the location or landmark or address, and you can just find places to stay. And so you can just learn more about online experiences. So you have so many options here. And also, if you love some places, you can just tap heart icon and you can just see saved ones here and saved places to stay. And then you can just see trips icon, tap this one. You can explore Airbnb from here and just tap explore Airbnb. And again, you'll just go to the explore part and you can just write wherever you want to go. So another thing is inbox. So from here you can just write a message to your host, or if you're a host, you can just talk to the people who will just come to your house or place. So this is for messages, and you can see your profile here. You can just make some changes there. So I think it's pretty simple to use, and the interface is great, and you don't feel confused with the design. Everything is very simple, and you can just find everything very easily. So for example, let's try, I want to go to Budapest. I'll just write Budapest here. So I want to stay in Budapest for a while, so I'll just tap Budapest, and then you have different options here. What can we help you find? You can find a place to stay, you can find a monthly stay, or you can find an experience here. I want to find a place to stay, but I don't want to stay long, so I'll tap this one. For example, I want to go to Budapest in September, so I'll choose 15th of September to 20th of September. So I chose that from here, and then I'll just tap next. So you can add guests from there. I'll just add 2 adults, and then tap search. So just like that, it's very quick. You can just see the super hosts here, and the pricing is here. That's great, and there are very good places to stay here. For example, I love this one, entire apartment, new luxury design apartment close to Parliament. So I want to stay here, and then it just gives a detailed information about the place. Like, it has a great location, it's clean and tidy, it is suitable for 2 guests, there is 1 bedroom, 1 bed and 1 bath. So you can contact host, and just you can see the sleeping arrangements. For example, there is a 1 king bed here. Amenities also, you can see all these amenities here, so you can just check them according to which ones you prefer. And the other thing is the location. You can see the location from here, the exact place, also reviews. So it has 4.84 stars right now, and you can see the cleanliness, communication, check-in, accuracy, location. So you can just read all the reviews, and you can decide according to that. That's great. And you can see the availability, house rules, and yeah, and also you can see the cancellation policy. If you didn't like it, there are more places to stay, and you can just see things here and see things to do nearby. So you have so many options, and you can just see them very quickly and very easily. So, and the other thing, I think I love this one. I love the design of the app, actually. Everything is so simple. It's very simple to use, and yeah, that's really good. And the other thing is we can just talk about what are the pros and cons of Airbnb. First, the platform is great, as you can see here, and it has now extended from renting homes to experiences, and now restaurant reservations as well. And hosts can be incredibly hospitable, and you can just make new friends here. And hosts have just generally have great knowledge of the area for best restaurants, activities, etc. And many times hosts are open to texting back and forth with you regarding questions you may have, whether it be a light check-in or prolonged stay. And also Airbnb has a customer service, of course, and it has been it's really helpful according to the users, very helpful with questions and needs. And generally most Airbnb rentals will include a kitchen on like majority of so many hotel rooms don't have a kitchen. And that's why with Airbnb you can just grab some groceries from a local market and save money on food while traveling by cooking a few meals in the kitchen instead of eating out the entire vacation. And what are the cons of Airbnb? I think the main problem is just could be the lack of privacy in some places. If you are in a home where just the privacy can be limited, and of course this comes with saving money. And yeah, but this is an important problem for me actually, because privacy is important for me. If I stay in a hotel, I'll have more privacy than staying in a home. But there are some places actually you can just have some privacy and you don't have hosts there as well with Airbnb, so you can choose that option as well. And have you ever used Airbnb, and what are your thoughts on this app? Is it helpful for you or not? And do you have any interesting experience with Airbnb? And for example, which one would you just prefer? Which one would you choose? Would you use Airbnb, or would you just like to stay in a hotel? So just let me know in the comments below. And I think that's it for now. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. And the quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, or leave a comment below, and feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content. And I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.